So guys, so Lala is in charge in the ingredients. All the cans, all the ingredients of dessert. And Banglang, look at the coconut, guys. We are almost done. So we are gonna finish. Moses, are you okay? Are you good? Because some people are telling me that you look tired now. Are you good? Your hands is good? Everything is fine? Pagbuak na diha. Smile. Smile to your heart. We ordered, guys, we only ordered 500 of coconut. Dapat lang 700 yung order. I guess this only like 50 pieces of coconut. We only have 50 pieces. Busy Sunday. Kus ng marami. Happy New Year, ya. Kamusta nga kalagayan natin dyan?
Hi, okay lang.
English para maano,
Hi, it's fine. Happy New Year. Yes. Sa mga walang may sagwa sa mga pasalan, nakatadri ha? Pang makaroni, pang baha.
Merry Christmas, Tol. Happy New Year. Dali ka mo palit? Awulan mo. Ato niyagi ang Graham tag 46. Karon 1,000 na. 100 na, Col. Gani. O, yun sa Manadira. Magbuak-buak, di magsigkaon.
Net, ingat si Sheila, net, kaya nagsikaw ko ang
Uy,
donut.
sigkaog donut ba?
Ha?
Sponsor lang to. Ano si donut?
Donut sa Panaderia.
Sponsor man to.
Sponsor man di, yun sa man kain.
Yes. Hi guys.
Guys, this is not really busy, New
Asa
Year.
nyo adira? Ako aman
Not too much busy, guys.
Adira na.
Manas madam.
Oh, it's not too busy.
Pagkalan, nana.
My
Dagdagan Ilapin, be.
it's not too busy, not same before.
Tilokon, patilok, tas madam.
Sorry, Uncle. I am very, very sorry.
Lang, sabawan nilang.
Sorry, lang ma. Oo.
Asa ka nagkuha na?
Sa kilid.
Blue ang taklob?
Oh,
Quinta na.
biscuit si Quinta lagi 30 ang buwan.
Sabawan ni. We will go in there.
Konti.
Laban, Japan.
Laban, mga alipin ng pera.
Laban, magpuan.
Laban, mga alipin ng pera.
Hi.
Even our customers are helping to scraping the coconut.
Scraping.
Scraper.
Amo.
Swiper, no swiping.
Swiper na.
Kul na diri kulo tag G sabaw. Inom na makaka. Oh, dito na siya si Kwenta.
Smith.
Ay. Unsa na baligya kol? Good job. Happy New Year. What a blue sky we have today. I hope later will not rain.
Paggabi akong trabaho.
Boy, sayong. Is on
Bar
the
ako sa
move.
bar.
Oh, Lang now is in charge of the machete because Moses went to the bathroom.
Lapon sa laing bahay.
Sige, Makal. Mantika pa. Mantika pa. Duha ka. Dari na upat ka cornstarch. Duha. Okay. Guys, I have customer. Wait. He ordered 4 of the oil, 2 cornstarch. Upat ka mantika. Isulod din, sulupin una. Uy, asa na dong? Puti dong, puti. Buy isa na mantika. Duha, doble ha. Duha ka cornstarch. I will get cornstarch, guys, because Zoe is slow.
Sorry.
Tapos dry butang mantika dong. Good job. Muna tayo kan. We will kwenta it's cornstarch 2 484 76 o 320. 480 te. Guys, if you are wondering, we memorize the price. Thank you. Aptekans ha? Aptekans. Because they don't have parking area here. Go Ling Ling. Guys, we are very afraid about the demolition in the Christmas. That is why we only ordered 500 of coconuts. Last year we ordered, we have coconut last year, I guess, 1,200. It's 500 in the Christmas. I know. Oh yeah, 500 in the Christmas, and we add 700 for the New Year. A total of 1,200. But now we only have 700 of coconut. 700, 200, raman to, 500. Dili na katagag coconut, girl.
Uy,
Ha?
nang 1 kilo oh.
Sige ka, si Sheila, oh, coconut.
Tataan niyo eh. Bago pa kami nagod. Oh, sige.
How are you there? You're good. Good job. This is our last day of work. Our last day of work, and we will have a long period of day off. Are you good? Are you finally good? What are you doing?
Oh, nadra, boss. Nagtatayon sa lang na, boss. Aray ko lang. Ay, sorry mo na.
I don't wanna. Hello guys, say hi.
Hi, guys.
This is Madeline,
Mother of Shella.
the mother of Shella. That is Shella over there.
Hindi nila kilala.
Oh, they are not mother. They said they are sister. Naabot naman mo sa ilason.
Ay, feeling ka na siya gwapa.
Ala,
Asa ni kaliwag?
liwat ka kasi mong mother.
Feeling ka na siya gwapa siya.
Kung imong mama feeling gwapa, mas nabaw na ka. Uy. Abi.
Usaboy.
Wala pa yan.
Huwag ko na mong utin ron.
Sige.
Eh,
Sige.
utin ron.
Wala ni mga sulog guys. This coconut here, it don't have a the meat of coconut. The meat of coconut.
Madam, sa kito.
How do you, is it yum? How does it taste?
It's good.
It's
To
good.
be good to be true.
It's good to be true. Ay.
Yummy. Abi pa to, huy. Super yummy.
There is only one taste of coconut. Don't exaggerate the the taste.
Kaya next kilo ni.
Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Lang! Happy New Year, Sabi.
Happy New Year, guys.
We love you. Thank you for joining. Baka naman. Bye! Oh, our coconut is gone. Lang and Moises already cleaned the area, and they already threw the garbage. So this is what we are going to sell. All the condensed. Everything is good. No more coconut. See you next year, coconut. You don't have eggs also. And a little bit of rice. And yeah.